Hi everyone and welcome to the Tito YouTube channel, our new section Tito International. As you already know, I'm Nujaima Softic and I moved to London in early October 2020. In this section, I will tell you more about runners, running, about runners' activities, projects and initiatives. So stay with us. Let's start with United Kingdom. Before I came here, I met Danny Bent and James Hay from the UK, runners and the founders of One Run Challenge, who appointed me head of partnerships for Europe as part of this project. One Run was born from a love of running and the power of community. We want to share that love and joy with the entire world. We believe in the power of togetherness. We love the uniqueness of humanity and want to reflect that in all our events. Who wants to be a copy of someone else anyway? We dare to be different. So how does it all work? On Human Rights Day this year, we are asking you to join thousands of people from 195 countries and run, walk or move your body for 1 hour. Whether you run a 10K in your local park with friends or walk around the dinner table due to lockdown restrictions, everyone is invited. We are uniting every human and we are going big. If you believe in ending discrimination in all its ugly forms, then join us. All you need to do is to sign up on this link. Second question, when is it? The One Run Global Challenge takes place on Human Rights Day, 10 December from 7 to 8 p.m. at your local time. As you and other runners in your time zone begin to move, our live map will light up, burning bright with a wave of positivity. We like to think of it like the New Year's Eve countdown, with celebrations going off one after the other in each time zone, except the fireworks are in our trainers. Who can take part? Anyone and everyone. This is the first truly global running event. We welcome every country, every age, every ability, every gender, every human with open arms. We don't care if you're not fit, it doesn't matter if you never run. This is about showing up and taking part. Last question is, do you have to fundraise as well? You don't have to, but we and our charity partners would love it if you played a part in helping to end hate and discrimination. 2020 has been filled with extraordinary events and stories of inequality and injustice. We are coming together to show the world that love is a human right and help end child discrimination. This is a run that means more. We are creating an Every Human movement which is raising vital funding for our charity partners to stop injustice and inequality against children. So sign up now and invite your friends to take part in this great movement. This is a great way to show that we are always there for every human.